Hello traders, you're welcome back to another breakdown of essential trading patterns. So in this video, we are diving deep into the descending channel pattern. Okay, it's a formation that signals a downtrend and offers great trading opportunities. Stick around as we break it down step by step. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Okay, now the descending channel pattern is actually a bearish price action structure. Okay, and it occurs where price moves between two downward sloping parallel lines. All right, between two downward sloping parallel lines. So the upper trend line acts as resistance, right? Stopping price from rising further. The upper trend line is a dynamic resistance that prevents price from climbing further, while the lower trend line acts as support, preventing price from dropping too fast. Okay, so this pattern forms when the market is in a downtrend. Okay, forms when the market is in a downtrend, creating a structured way to analyze price movement. But to trade it effectively, you need to identify it correctly first. So spotting a descending channel is quite straightforward when you follow these key steps. Okay, the first step is to look for two lower highs. All right, look for two lower highs and two lower lows and connect them together. Okay, forming a parallel structure. You have, this is a lower high, right? This is another lower high, right? So you connect these two together. This is a lower low, right? This is another lower low, right? Connect them together. So this line and this line is now forming a parallel structure, right? So you draw a trend line that connects the lower highs and another trend line that connects the lower lows. If they are sloping downward in parallel, then you have identified a descending channel. Okay, confirm the pattern with indicators like RSI, moving averages, or MACD, okay, to increase accuracy. Now, once you spot the pattern, it is time to look at how to trade it effectively. So there are three main ways to trade the descending channel pattern. All right, and one of the major ways is to sell at resistance. Okay, so when the price touches the upper trend line, it often faces rejection. All right, by the way, this is a bearish trend, so there is even a higher chance of you benefiting more from selling at resistance owing to the fact that it is a bearish trend. All right, so the momentum in the bearish direction is usually stronger, right? So basically, when price touches the resistance, traders look for bearish confirmation signals before entering short positions. So you just watch out for bearish confirmation signals. If you get any bearish confirmation signals, then that could be a cue to enter a sell trade. All right, for example, we can see that at this point, we had this candle that got rejected after getting to this resistance. Right after this rejection, you can see that we had a red candle that covered the body of the blue candle, right? So we had a bearish engulfing around here. So this was a confirmation to enter a sell. This would have been a good place to enter a sell. And you can see that after that, we had a decline all the way to the support level. Okay, so make sure you always get your bearish confirmation signals before entering your short positions. Then you can set your stop loss above the previous swing high, and then your take profit, of course, you can use the trend line support, or just watch out for when a reversal begins to form, a reversal pattern begins to form. All right, finally, another way to trade the descending channel is with breakouts. All right, breakout trading is another method to trade the descending channel. So basically, if price breaks below support, it may signal a continuation of the downtrend. All right, you know that you have a series of support levels even within the downtrend, right? Though the support levels might not necessarily be as strong as some other key levels, but price keeps on forming lower highs, lower lows, forming supports as the price is going down. For example, we have a support here, have a support here, and so on. So when price breaks below support, it may signal a continuation of the downtrend. But if price breaks above the resistance, especially the resistance trend line, then it could indicate a trend reversal. And you can see that is exactly what we had happened around here. After we had a breakout of this trend line resistance, you can see that we actually had a reversal to the upside. The price began to form higher highs and higher lows. So a trend reversal occurred right after a bullish breakout took place. Okay, so now the descending channel pattern is critical, right? It's a critical tool for traders navigating downtrending markets. Okay, it helps traders identify potential reversal points, improve market analysis, and refine risk management strategies. Ensure that you do not risk more than you can afford to lose, and make sure that you do not neglect proper risk to reward ratios. All right, proper risk to reward ratios demands that if you are risking 10 pips, for example, that you should be making at least ×2 of your risk, or will I say your take profit target should be at least ×2 of your risk. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you should set unrealistic targets. If you are risking 10 pips and then your take profit target, if it's a buy trade, maybe your take profit target is now going beyond the resistance, then that is probably not a good one. If it's a sell trade, maybe you are risking 10 pips and your take profit target is going beyond the support, then it might not be a good one. So just ensure that your take profit target falls within an acceptable zone. All right, for example, in a sell, if you're setting take profit, it should be either above a support or around the support, not below the support. Okay, so that is just an example. All right, pay attention to that. It's very important. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more expert trading tips. Let me know in the comments if you've traded the descending channel pattern before. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.